Sunlight kisses the idyllic village, nestled snugly in a vibrant green valley. A picturesque scene unfolds under the clear sky. Villagers move through sun-drenched streets, each step measured and purposeful. Life is peaceful, a portrait of serenity. The air hums with gentle activity, a symphony of daily life played out against a backdrop of natural beauty. Every corner of the village radiates tranquility, a perfect escape from the clamor of the world beyond the valley. Under a bright sun, Ram, a weathered farmer, scans his land, worry etching deep lines into his face. His sons Arjun, Bharat, Chetan and Dev stand divided, their argument rising with the heat of the day. Their voices carry across the open field, disrupting the peaceful rhythm of rural life. The land, once a symbol of unity, now bears witness to the discord among brothers. Ram's gaze reflects a deep concern as he observes the unfolding conflict, his heart heavy with apprehension. Inside the humble farmhouse, Ram lies sick in bed, his frail body a stark contrast to the sturdy wooden frame. He strains to listen, the sounds of his son's quarrel piercing through the thin walls, and his weakening spirit. A deep, weary sigh escapes his lips, each breath a testament to the weight of his worries. His eyes, though clouded with illness, reflect a profound concern for his son's uncertain future. The farmhouse seems to echo with his unspoken fears, the very air thick with a sense of impending change. Sunlight paints the room as Ram lies in bed, his breath shallow, each inhale a struggle. Dust motes dance in the golden light, a silent ballet around the figure of the ailing patriarch. With trembling hand, he beckons his sons closer, a final gathering of family. "My sons," Ram whispers, his voice a mere breath against the backdrop of looming silence. In the farmhouse, Ram, a farmer etched with time, presents slender sticks to his sons, a silent challenge in his weathered gaze. Arjun, confident and strong, steps forward, the eldest son ready to meet his father's test. The sharp crack of wood echoes as Arjun snaps the stick, a bold declaration of strength and independence. Bharat, Chetan and Dev exchange knowing glances, each following suit, a chorus of snapping sticks filling the air. Inside the old farmhouse, Ram stands firm, weathered hands clutching a bundle of sticks bound tightly by rope. A faint smile plays on his lips as he presents the bundle to his sons, challenging them with a silent dare. The thick bundle symbolizes unity and strength, held high against the backdrop of their simple home. His eyes gleam with wisdom, a lesson about togetherness unspoken but deeply felt in the sunlit room. Inside the farmhouse, Arjun strains against the bundle, muscles screaming with each twist, but the sticks remain stubbornly bound. Bharat's face reddens with exertion as he tries to bend the bundle. The unyielding sticks mock his efforts. Chetan tugs fiercely at the rope. It holds firm, a testament to its strength, defying his desperate yanks. The bundle remains intact, a symbol of unity against their individual struggles in the sun-drenched farmhouse. Inside the farmhouse, Dev raises his foot, his face a mask of fierce determination as he prepares to crush the bundle of sticks. He stomps down with all his might, the force of his action echoing through the room. The sticks remain stubbornly intact, resisting Dev's furious assault. Close up on Dev's face, his initial confidence dissolving into frustration as he glares at the unyielding bundle. The sons exchange glances, a mix of puzzle and growing frustration mirrored in their expressions. The intact bundle lies defiant, a silent challenge to their combined strength and resolve. Sunlight floods the farmhouse, illuminating dust motes as Ram stands before his sons, a bundle of sticks in his weathered hands. He snaps a single stick effortlessly, a stark demonstration of vulnerability in isolation. Straining, Ram struggles to break the united bundle. Alone, each of you is like this single stick, but together, supporting each other, you are unbreakable. Stay united, always, Ram declares, his gaze intense. Sunlight paints the farmhouse in a golden hue as dust motes dance, a stark contrast to the heavy grief etched on the sons' faces. Tears glisten, reflecting the room's somber light as the sons gather around their father's bedside, a vigil of sorrow. Hands clasp, a silent pledge exchanged amidst the unspoken remorse filling the air, binding them together. A profound sense of loss hangs heavy, each breath a reminder of the impending farewell. A final goodbye. "We promise, Father," they whisper in unison, their voices thick with emotion. "We will always remember your lesson. We will remain united," the sons vow, their promise echoing in the silent farmhouse, a testament to their father's legacy. In the quiet farmhouse, days later, Ram passes away peacefully in his sleep, his face serene. The sons gather, their grief a heavy cloak, tears streaming down their weathered faces in the dim light. Amidst their sorrow, a shared glance sparks a silent vow of renewed commitment to one another. A new purpose ignites in their hearts, promising unity and strength born from loss. Under the vast sky, Arjun, Bharat, Chetan and Dev toil together in the fields, their figures small against the expanse of the farm. The rich earth turns under the plough as they work in unison, each movement mirroring the others in a silent, shared purpose. Seeds scatter from their hands, a promise of future bounty sown into the fertile ground with care and dedication. Sweat glistens on their brows as they harvest, the golden crops a testament to their combined strength and newfound unity. Side by side, they stand as brothers, the fields around them a symbol of their bond, forged in labor and mutual respect. Golden sunlight bathes the fertile fields, a testament to the brothers' united labor. Crops surge skyward, emerald and ripe, a vibrant tapestry woven across the landscape. The air hums with the drone of bees, a symphony of life amidst the abundant harvest. The brothers work side by side, their movements mirroring each other in silent harmony. The village watches from afar, their faces etched with awe at the brothers' success. A shared dream blossoms into reality, transforming barren land into a thriving haven. Bathed in golden sunlight, the village awakens as the sons begin their harvest distribution. Compassion guides their actions as they assist those less fortunate. Villagers beam, their faces etched with gratitude for the unexpected gifts. A palpable sense of community and shared appreciation fills the air. Bless you for your generosity. Your bond is an inspiration to us all, the villagers say. Arjun, Bharat, Chetan and Dev stand together, surveying their thriving farm under the warm daylight. Their gazes sweep across the landscape, taking in the vibrant fields and the grateful faces of the villagers. The villagers' expressions reflect the profound happiness and relief brought by the brothers' hard work. A shared sense of accomplishment and deep satisfaction radiates from Arjun, Bharat, Chetan, and Dev. They witness the tangible impact of their efforts, solidifying their bond and shared vision for the community. As sunset paints the sky in fiery hues, a tranquil village basks in the warm, fading light. Silhouettes of 4 brothers emerge against the vibrant horizon, their figures united in a powerful embrace. Golden light bathes the brothers, highlighting the depth of their connection. Their arms tighten around each other, a silent testament to their shared history and unwavering support. The embrace speaks of a bond forged in adversity, a unity that defies the fading light. In their collective strength, the brothers stand as a beacon of hope against the encroaching darkness.